Dr. Deepak Bhattacharya. Today I am at WeSchool. Today we are doing a workshop on what we call as the first time manager. This is brought to you by Welingkar Hybrid Division DLP. This is for those executive students who are learning in this course, and we are going to learn together on what are the qualities that are required to be a good, effective first-time manager. So we learn this through discussions, we learn this through different debates, and we learn this through some assessments. And what are those qualities which really take you and become an effective leader? God bless you. Thank you.
Hi, hello, this is Sahil. I'm from January 24 batch. I'm pursuing my PG in HR from Welingkar Institute. Today we have witnessed the workshop on the first time managers, been hosted by Dr. Bhattacharya. It has been a pleasure witnessing the workshop. I was able to assess myself where I stand being a manager in an organization, and I could work myself toward further improvements. So I would like to thank you, Welingkar, for arrangement of such workshop, and expecting some more in future as well. Thank you so much.